Is your Ajar Light flashing even though all your doors are closed? If so, this video will assist in troubleshooting the Do Not Move Vehicle light, otherwise known as the Ajar Light. Since you must release the parking brake to activate the Ajar circuit, it is recommended to block your wheels while addressing this issue so the vehicle cannot move. Start with all your compartments closed, and if you can, try to reduce the light in the shop. Having a powerful magnet on hand is a must. All the switches used to activate compartment lights are switched by magnets. If you open a compartment, you can use a magnet waved near the switch to turn off the light. Go around and manually open each door and test the switch with your magnet to see if you can shut the compartment light off. If the magnet does not shut off the light, you may have located the defective switch. Having a helper sit in the cab and verbally inform you if the Ajar Light stops flashing is often a good way to determine if you have found the culprit. By opening the middle over wheel well compartment, you can sometimes tell if the front or rear compartment walls are glowing from the light being on inside those closed compartments. The same goes for the back compartment. Check to see if the light is on with its door closed by looking through the opening near the autofill piping. The most common reason that the Ajar Light will flash is usually due to a roll-up door switch being out of adjustment. These can get bumped and moved on the door frame and then be too far from the magnet that is inside a door slat when the door is shut. Try measuring the distance from the compartment floor edge to the top of the door switch. It should be at around 3 inches. You can also use the top rivet on the door striker as a good visual guide if the switch is in the correct position. If you need to move it, there is a single screw to loosen to move it, then tighten it back up. This vehicle is equipped with a multiplexed electrical system. There are helpful LED lights on modules located inside the rear compartments that can provide direction as to where to look. If a door switch is not near its magnet, it will show a signal called an input indicating that a door is open. Then the LED for that input and the door light will both be lit up on its corresponding module. These modules are located behind removable poly walls in only the rear compartments. The walls have cutouts with clear plexiglass over the module locations. Obviously, when viewing these modules, an input and an output light will be lit up for that compartment since its roll-up door is opened. Using a magnet, you can turn off the compartment lighting as well as the input and output LED lights on the module to isolate any other signals. The upper compartments at the back of the body also use magnetic switches to inform the driver if these compartments were left open. They do not, however, include any lights inside the compartments, so an output LED will not be shown on the multiplexing modules. Inspect the door to ensure it is properly closed and latched. Next, open the door and ensure that the magnet, part number 260-3510, has not been knocked off the door itself. Inspect the switch on the body, part number 260-3509, to ensure that it has not been damaged or moved from its normal position. Again, using your magnet, wave it near that switch to see if the Ajar Light goes off inside the cab. Using these tips, you should be able to figure out the cause and fix this Ajar issue. If you need any additional help or need to replace any parts, please contact Darley at 715-726-2645. Thank you.